Hi, did you know it's actually possible to move multiple apps at the same time on iPhone and iPad instead of dragging them one by one? All you have to do is to first touch the screen for about a second to make the apps do their little dance. Now pick one of the apps you want to move, press down on it and drag it a tiny bit to make the minus symbol above it disappear. Keep holding the app and with another free finger just touch all the apps you want to move, one by one. This adds them into a sort of app pile that can be dragged around to any home screen or dropped into any folder, just as if you were actually only moving one app. The blue number above the app pile indicates how many apps are currently being moved around at the same time. To place the apps in their new location, just let go of them and see them fall into place. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.